Hello dear friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. In today's video I'm going to share with you how you can do a simple hairstyle. So if you are tired of spending hours of your hair every day morning, well, good news, I've got you covered. This easy hairstyle that you can do every day, like without wasting much of your time. It's actually stylish and elegant. You can even go do this hairstyle for work, for church, for party, or any occasion. Actually, it's fit. So if you're new on my channel, click on that subscribe button and subscribe today, friends. So you can do this simple hairstyle in 2 minutes. You are done. So friends, as you can see, our hair is growing. I can put it in a puff. So this hair challenge of 6 months is really working wonders, friends. Yes, so I'll link the video which I did. So we are in a challenge of 6 months of growing our natural hair. Yes, friends, and I'm so happy because our hair is flourishing. Yes, with patience, hair grows. So at this point, I'm going to do a massage. Massaging is actually one of our tips in our 6 months hair challenge. Yes, so I've done quite a number of videos on massaging. I'll link them in the description box below. So I'm massaging without any oil. Yes, so you can massage without oil or with oil. So massaging will promote blood flow to the scalp, hence promoting hair growth. So at this point, I'm going to do a side puff. So just gather the hair. It's that simple, actually, yet stylish. Like you can even use a brush, whatever your preference, but I'm just going in with my hands. So if you belong on this channel, like I don't normally use brushes or combs, I just use my hands. Yes, so as you can see, so I'm going to get a thread, or you can get any tool that can help you to put your hair in kind of a band, side band. So I'm just going to use a thread. So I'll go for that length, as you can see, which will cut like to go around our bun. And make sure that you tie it loosely, not tight. So I normally get away with bands here, like high puffs, when I'm just, I've just done my hair before putting it in a protective hairstyle. I just want to enjoy my hair. Yes, so I normally do some simple hairstyles prior to putting in protective hairstyle, which can last for two weeks, 3 weeks, or a month. So make sure that you are not tight. The moment you feel pain, then it means that it's tight. So I'm just pulling it using my hands at the back like so. And then I'm going to secure it there. So loosely, not tightly, but loosely, friends. It is very, very important. So I've just tied the thread at the back. And we can cut it with our scissors, but I did not cut it. I actually forgot to cut the thread at the back, which was actually protruding. So at this point, that is how the back looks like after securing it. And it's loosely done, friends. Let me just show you how it looks like. So that is the thread that we need to cut. You can cut with a sharp scissors and you are good to go. So at this point, you can actually go and just fluff your hair. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to do loose twist, loosely done on the top to create a voluminous, like so. So I'll continue doing the same throughout, and then I'm going to gather the hair together like so. So if you are liking this video, friends, give this video a like, share this video to friends, families, or in platforms where you think they can benefit. And if this is your first time on my channel, you are so welcome. So on this channel, I share videos on crafts like lifestyle, healthy lifestyle, natural hair, DIY, and skincare. So there are a lot of things that you can actually find on this channel. So continue twisting tightly like so. So at this point, my hair is moisturized. So if your hair isn't moisturized, then you have to moisturize it. But if you don't want any shrunken hair, then you can just proceed and start twisting. So I had already washed my hair, done a pre-poo, and deep conditioner, and then moisturize it. Actually, I did a protein treatment. So I'm just gathering the hair together like so, putting it together at the top like so. It's that simple, friends. It's that simple, as you can see. Then I'm going to get a pin, a bobby pin. Just one bobby pin is enough, or you can go in with more bobby pins depending on your preference and how long or voluminous your hair is. So that is how our hairstyle looks like, effortlessly. As you can see, it looks perfect and it looks stylish and it is beautiful. Something you can do in a minute, friends. If you are in a hurry, this is a simple hairstyle that you can rock. So at this point, I'm going to moisturize it. So you can use your styling products, but I don't apply, styling products when I've just washed my hair, because I don't want my hair to have some residues. Then I start washing it again. So I'm just going in with mist. So I've done quite a number of videos on how to make mist. I'll link them in the description box below. So I normally don't keep this hairstyle for 24 hours, friends, because we don't want to lose our edges. So I just keep it maybe for a day and then I'm good to go. So at this point you can accessorize it. So I'm going to accessorize it. I'm just going to put this pin at the side, as you can see. So I'm just making sure that it's positioned well. So that is how it looks like, friends. Look at that. This is a perfect hairstyle that you can do within a short possible time. So comment in the section below, friends. I would love to hear from you. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe, share, and give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll be very, very grateful. So I appreciate you so much, friends, for subscribing, for commenting, for sharing our videos, and for your support. I really appreciate you, friends. I'm so grateful. So that is how the back looks like. But the bobby pin, I didn't like prick it deeply, so you can do that. Make sure that it is well secured. So that is the other side. Like so, friends, like our hair is growing. You can testify with me. If you've been long on this channel, you get it right. Yes. So that is the end. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you.